This is a steep fire break. Woo-wee! Yeah, this one's pretty hardcore. Short hike, it definitely gives you a lot of bang for its buck. It's a good thing. Looking up this way, I believe that's up towards Vicar benchmark, 4,316 feet at the top, because I can see a big cone Douglas fir forest just down slope from it, and I see the coulter pines from Los Pinos Saddle. There's a little hill that's about 3,500 feet overlooking Blue Jay Campground and the San Juan Trailhead. Yeah, this is a pretty steep climb, and you will be rubbing up against branches quite often. I'm only a short way up, but this is one you want to take with some patience, because it's a pretty steep climb. 2 hikes in 2 different counties today. Black Mountain, Rancho Penasquitos in San Diego, and took a drive up the 15th through Temecula and Lake Elsinore. Got on the 74, went up the east side of the Santa Anas, parked down there my vehicle at Old Dominion Saddle, which is just a little above 3,000 feet. So, considering the fact that the elevation gain is supposed to be more than 600 feet, a little bit more than 600, leads me to believe that there's going to be a downhill stretch. Let me see something here. That trail gets kind of lost in here. And these fire breaks can be kind of tricky. Trying to see. It's hard to see if there's a way around all of it. Might have to backtrack a little bit.